In this example, we're going to solve for x. This equation is involving inequalities. Okay, you see the inequality symbol? Something different. Now, we're going to ignore the inequality symbol until the end. We're going to solve just like if it was an equal sign there. Okay, so I'm going to start by subtracting my 10x to this side. This leaves me with 3x minus 20 less than 4. I'm going to add my 20 on both sides. 3x less than 24. Divide by 3 on both sides. X is less than 8. And let me specify the question. It doesn't want you to graph or anything. But let's see if I wanted it to, for you to write the graph. Well, I'm going to find my little graph. I always put 0 in the middle. A is somewhere over here. And then what is my inequality is saying? X is less than 8. So x is all the numbers less than 8. Well, my line is going to go this way. Okay? Now, something to remember, when it's less, no little line under, not equal to. This is an open circle. Okay? It might not look so open, but it's an open circle. Okay? Now, let's say I were to ask you to write the interval notation of this. Write the answer as an interval notation. Right here, you have given me one of the answers. This is another of the answers because you've given me the number line of it, right? The graph. Now I say, well, give it to me in interval notation. Well, once you have the graph, it's pretty easy to write the interval notation. Now, let's look at it. This arrow is going towards the negative sign. It's going all the way to negative infinity, right? So you always start left to right. So I'm going to write my negative infinity, comma. Where does it stop? At 8. Well, there's something missing there. The infinity signs always have parentheses because the number is not included. You don't know when it's going to stop. For A is less. This is also parentheses. Let's go ahead and write this so we know. When we have this, we're going to have an open circle and we're going to have parentheses when writing it in an interval sign. When we have this with a little line under, equal to, we're going to have a closed dot and we're going to use brackets. And when we have negative infinity or positive infinity, we always have parentheses. So this is something that you need to memorize. Okay? So answer, answer, answer. In this case, we're only asking for this one, but you need to know how to do all of them. That's your answer for this example.